Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Mango Cake Recipe Guide, Best Ingredients, Baking Tips, and Global Variations, 2025. Mango cake is winning fans around the world, and it's easy to see why. Bursting with sweet, tangy flavor, mango brings a bright twist to classic desserts and fits perfectly with sunny, warm weather gatherings. Its soft texture and tropical aroma wake up every bite, making people crave a slice on hot days or anytime they want something fresh. Whether you love home baking or want to try something new for summer parties, mango cake promises a taste that stands out from the usual choices. What is mango cake? Mango cake is all about capturing the vibrant, juicy magic of mangoes in dessert form. It sets itself apart from more common cakes with its golden color, fruity flair, and a softness that feels like summer with every bite. Mango cakes come in all shapes and sizes, from light, airy sponges to dense, creamy icebox cakes, each with its own take on this tropical superstar. Essence of mango cake. At its heart, mango cake is simple. It highlights the flavor of ripe mangoes, either blended into the batter, spread as a filling, or displayed as a topping. No matter the recipe, the common thread is that bright, sweet, sometimes tangy punch you can only get from real mango. Most mango cakes share a few things. Soft, moist texture thanks to mango puree, fresh mango pieces, or syrup. Rich color ranging from pale yellow to deep orange. Layers of cake, cream, jelly, or mousse, giving each slice its own burst of mango in every forkful. Baked versus fresh styles. Mango cake isn't just one dessert, it comes in both baked and no-bake styles, each with its own fans. Baked mango cake. Picture a classic sponge or butter cake with mango puree worked into the batter. Some bakers use chunks of mango between layers or bake them right in for a pop of fruit flavor. Fresh or chilled mango cake. Many love the no-bake route, which puts sliced fresh mangoes, soft whipped cream, and sponge fingers or lady fingers in the spotlight. These layered treats, sometimes called icebox cakes, often sit in the fridge to turn melt in your mouth soft. In Asia, creamy mango mousse cakes and chiffon cakes topped with fresh fruit earn plenty of praise. Mango cake around the world. Mango cake crosses borders and takes on local twists wherever it lands. The Philippines. Mama de Mango uses airy chiffon, mango puree, and whipped cream. India. Mango cream cake often mixes fluffy sponge, thick mango puree, and cardamom for an extra boost. Thailand. Mango sticky rice cake versions add coconut cream and sweet sticky rice beneath fresh mango for a hybrid treat. Western styles. Many bakers pair mango with cream cheese frosting, mascarpone whipped cream, or even a punch of citrus. What makes mango cake distinct? Mango cake stands apart from crowd pleasers like chocolate or vanilla because it's never heavy or too rich. The fruity flavor wakes up your taste buds. Even if you've had a dozen cakes, mango cake feels new each time, refreshing and a little unexpected. Whether you love fruit-forward desserts or just want to brighten up your table, mango cake brings a splash of sunshine to any occasion. The combination of mango's bold color, sweet aroma, and melt-in-your-mouth texture keeps people reaching for another slice. Ingredients needed for the perfect mango cake. A mango cake lives or dies by its ingredients. Fresh, quality items bring out the most flavorful, tender cake while offering options for many diets. Let's break down what you'll need to bake a mango cake that's light, fruity, and unforgettable. Choosing the best mangoes for cake. Picking the right mangoes is everything. Not every variety gives you the same taste, texture, or color. Look for these traits when at the store or market. Go for ripe, not overripe. The perfect mango for cake should feel slightly soft but not mushy. If the fruit smells fruity and the skin gives a little under light pressure, it's on target. Avoid threads. Some mangoes have stringy fibers. Varieties like Ataulfo, Honey or Champagne, Alfonso, and Kent are ideal. They're smooth, sweet, and easy to blend into batter or fillings. Bright color matters. Deeper orange flesh not only boosts the cake's look but also means more flavor and perfume. Keep in mind, underripe mangoes taste sour and have less juice. Overripe ones get watery and can make the cake soggy. Essential ingredients for a classic mango cake. Once you have your mangoes, line up these trusted basics for a standard mango cake batter. Flour. All-purpose is most common, but cake flour works too for a finer crumb. Sugar. Plain white sugar lets the mango flavor shine. Brown sugar adds caramel notes if that's your style. Eggs. These help the cake rise and keep it moist. Butter or neutral oil. Adds richness and keeps the cake soft. Oil makes it lighter, while butter brings extra flavor. Baking powder. Essential for lift, so the cake stays fluffy. Whole milk or yogurt. Brings moisture and blends the batter smoothly. Fresh mango puree. The star. Use about 1 cup, made from peeled, chopped ripe mangoes blended into a smooth consistency. Vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Both round out the flavors and sharpen the sweetness. For an Instagram-worthy finish, many bakers add mango chunks to the batter or in between cake layers, then top with mango slices and whipped cream. Eggless and gluten-free mango cake variations. Many people want to skip eggs or gluten, but still try delicious cakes. Here's how to make it happen. For eggless cakes, replace each egg with 1/4 cup unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup plain yogurt, or a mix of 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons water. Let it sit until thick. Choose a recipe with extra baking powder or baking soda to help the cake rise. For gluten-free cakes, substitute all-purpose flour with a gluten-free blend, or try using almond flour for rich taste. Add ½ teaspoon xanthan gum if your flour blend lacks it. This helps hold the cake together and keep its structure. Make sure your baking powder and other mix-ins are labeled gluten-free. Many bakers enjoy mixing in shredded coconut, cardamom, or even a squeeze of lime for a mango cake that stands out. If whipping up a special birthday treat, toss in some toasted nuts or dried mango pieces for an easy personal touch. Building your mango cake with top-quality ingredients sets you up for a dessert everyone will remember. Keep it simple, pick the right mango, and tweak with extra flavors to match your taste or needs. How to make mango cake, step-by-step guide. Making a mango cake means more than just mixing mango into batter. You want a moist cake, layers that sing with fruit, and a look that's as sunny as the flavor. These steps will help you from the first swirl of puree to the final flourish on top. Preparing the mango puree. Great mango cake starts with great mango puree. Slice your ripe mangoes, avoiding the pit and peel. The key to a smooth puree is blending or processing the fruit until not a single chunk or string remains. Even a few threads can ruin the texture of your cake, so use these tricks for best results. Cut mango away from the pit, then dice. Use a blender or food processor. Pulse until the puree is velvety. If your mango variety has a lot of fibers, push the puree through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth. This step makes a world of difference. Don't add water. Pure mango gives deeper flavor and thicker texture. Extra water can make your cake too soft or dense. For recipes that call for sugar in the puree, mix it in after straining for an even blend. Once smooth, fold the puree gently into the batter. The right amount helps keep the cake soft and adds bright color without turning runny. That's it for part 1. We've got the ingredients and tips covered. But don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll put everything together and bake this amazing cake. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.